All right, so let's jump into something kind of cool. Boston's like this hub for innovation, right?
Always has been, yeah.
Always. Yeah, but it's not just like biotech and universities anymore.
Yeah.
We're seeing this whole new wave of startups,
Mm.
and they're not just like trying to out Silicon
Yeah,
Valley
right.
to do something totally different
Yeah.
with AI.
Yeah, and what I find fascinating is how Boston is able to blend, its traditional strengths, like the hardware engineering, that tough tech grit
Yeah.
with this new AI native approach.
Okay, so AI native, that's the term, right? Everyone's buzzing about.
Yeah.
What does it actually
I
mean?
it's not just about using AI as a
All
tool.
right.
It's about building companies where AI is baked into the very core, you know?
Mhm.
These AI natives, they see AI as more than just an algorithm. It's
Yeah.
like a fundamental building block of their entire business model.
So it's less about using ChatGPT to write a blog post and more about give me an example that would kind of make this click.
Okay, sure. Yeah. So imagine a small team,
Okay.
like a 1 10 100,
Yeah.
maybe 10 people generating $10 million in revenue with 100 AI agents working alongside them.
Wow.
These AI agents could be handling, everything from customer service to marketing campaigns, freeing up the human team to focus on strategy and innovation.
Wait, 100 AI agents? That sounds like something out of a sci-fi movie.
Yeah, it's closer to reality than you might think.
Really?
This 1 10 100 concept really highlights the potential of AI to supercharge efficiency and scale.
Yeah.
Even for small teams, we might be talking about Fortune 1 million companies in the
Yeah.
future,
Yeah.
or even solo entrepreneurs building billion-dollar empires with their army of AI agents.
Okay, so we've got Boston's unique scene,
Yeah.
this AI native mindset and these like superpowered teams.
Yeah.
But what about the founders themselves?
hmm
Just using AI tools doesn't magically make you an AI native.
Yeah,
So,
exactly. It's about how these founders think.
okay.
They don't just see AI as a way to automate tasks. They see it as a way to like reimagine how companies are built and run.
Uh-huh.
They're like architects designing these intricate systems where humans and AI work together in this almost symbiotic way.
So it's not just about building with AI.
Right.
It's about building for AI from the very beginning.
Exactly. And that's where it gets really interesting.
Mhm.
These companies aren't fully automated.
Okay.
They're all about finding the right balance between human expertise and AI capabilities.
Right.
They're using open source tools, custom workflows, and even creating roles like chief AI officer or even an AI intern to manage this new kind of workforce.
That makes sense. Like they're building these hybrid teams, almost like a sports team,
Yeah.
with humans and AI players all working together toward a common goal.
I like that. Yeah, that's a great analogy.
Yeah. And with AI becoming more and more accessible, the real question is how do these AI native companies create a competitive edge?
hmm
How do they stand out in a world where anyone can theoretically build a product overnight?
Right. That's $1 million question.
Yeah, that's a great question. I'm guessing that's where these founder personas come in.
You got it. The research points to three distinct founder archetypes who are really thriving in this AI-powered landscape. Let's start with the super technical founder. They're the ones who can build these complex systems from the ground up,
Yeah.
leveraging AI agents to accelerate their development process.
So we're talking about like the coding whizzes,
Yeah,
the ones who can practically speak an algorithm.
exactly.
But how does that translate into building a successful business?
It's not just about the coding skills, it's about understanding how to leverage AI to solve complex problems. Like,
Oh,
let's say they're building a fintech platform.
okay.
They could use AI agents to analyze market data in real time, identify trading opportunities,
Wow.
and even personalize risk assessments for individual investors' tasks. That would be incredibly time consuming for humans to do manually.
That's a whole new level of automation. It's like
Yeah.
having an army of analysts working for you around the clock.
Exactly. Yeah.
But what about the founder who isn't a coding genius?
Right. So that's where our second persona comes in,
Okay.
the domain expert founder.
Okay.
They might not be technical experts, but they have something even more valuable:
What's that?
deep industry knowledge.
Okay.
They understand the pain points and opportunities within their specific field,
Yeah.
and they can leverage AI to create targeted solutions.
So it's like a doctor who uses their medical expertise to build an AI-powered diagnostic tool,
Yeah.
or a lawyer who creates a legal tech platform that automates contract review.
Exactly. They can use AI to translate their expertise into products and services that solve real problems for their target market. And because they already have that deep understanding of their industry, they have a huge advantage when it comes to distribution and customer acquisition.
Yeah, yeah.
They're not just building a product, they're offering a solution to a problem they've lived and breathed for years.
Yeah, that makes a lot of sense. So we've got the technical builders, the industry experts.
Right.
Who's the third persona that's making waves in this AI-driven world?
So the third persona is the visionary founder.
Okay.
They're the ones who see the bigger picture,
Yeah.
the ones who can imagine possibilities that others might miss. They might not be the best coders or the deepest industry experts, but they have this unique ability to identify problems worth solving
Yeah.
and then assemble the right teams, both human and AI, to make it happen.
So it's less about technical skills and more about strategic thinking.
Yeah.
That ability to connect the dots and see where AI can create real impact.
Precisely. And with AI becoming more accessible, it's
Yeah.
vision that becomes the real differentiator. It's about asking the right questions, you know?
Yeah.
Challenging assumptions, pushing the boundaries of what's possible.
So in this new world, anyone can build a product,
Right.
but it takes a true visionary to build something meaningful, something that actually solves a problem and makes a difference.
Absolutely. The visionary founder understands that AI is a tool. It's a powerful tool,
Yeah.
but it's the human element, the creativity, the empathy, the drive to make a difference that ultimately shapes the future.
That's pretty powerful. Yeah, this is fascinating stuff. It seems like these founder personas almost complement each other. Could you have a team with all three types?
That's where the magic happens. Imagine a company with a super technical founder building the AI engine, a domain expert founder providing the industry insights, and a visionary founder guiding the ship that's an unstoppable combination.
That makes a lot of sense. So for our listener out there, which of these founder personas resonates with you the most?
Yeah.
Do you see yourself as the builder, the expert, or the visionary?
It's really interesting to think about, which persona fits best.
Yeah.
Right? I mean, you've got all these incredible examples of AI natives shaking things up, and it really makes you wonder,
Oh.
where you might fit into all of this. What do you think? What kind of stands out for our listener in terms of these personas?
I think it's all about, recognizing your own strengths and how they align with the opportunities AI is creating.
Yeah.
Maybe you're already deep in a field and you're starting to see how AI could be
Right.
that missing piece to solve a problem you've been wrestling with for years.
Right.
That's the domain expert's path.
Yeah, or maybe you're like me, someone who gets excited about the potential of technology, but isn't necessarily a coding whiz.
Right.
Could there be a place for us, like big picture folks, in this AI-driven world?
Absolutely. Remember, the visionary founder isn't about writing the perfect algorithm.
Right. It's about seeing the potential where others don't.
Yeah.
It's about asking, what if? And then finding the right people and AI tools to make that what if a reality.
That's pretty empowering, isn't it? It's like AI is leveling the playing field in a way we've never seen before.
Yeah.
It's not just about tech skills anymore. It's about having the vision and the drive to make a difference.
I think that's a key takeaway, for our listener.
Yeah.
If AI is this incredible tool, this amplifier,
Yeah.
then the real question becomes, what do you want to amplify? What problem are you uniquely positioned to solve?
Wow. When you put it that way, it really kind of shifts the perspective.
Yeah.
It's not just about riding the AI wave. It's about charting your own course.
Exactly. And who knows, maybe our listener is already sitting on that billion-dollar idea, that 1-1000 concept waiting to be unleashed.
Yeah.
Maybe they just needed this deep dive to spark that aha moment.
So to our listener, we'll leave you with this. If AI is the wind in your sails, what's your destination?
Yeah.
What impact do you want to make on the world?
What are you going to build?
Go out there and make it happen.